My office is right by the studio area where architecture students are taught. The difficult thing about it is students sometimes just burst in and they don't acknowledge that I might be in the middle of quite a confidential conversation. One of the things that I'm finding is getting to be a real problem is I have so many out-of-date leaflets. I wish there was some sort of solution where I could give information to students quite quickly and easily without relying on out-of-date leaflets. The great thing about this office is it's quite a big office, but I have to say the chairs do feel like a bit of a mishmash, and I would like something that was a little bit more professional looking maybe, with that, but at the same time still managing to create that informal feeling so students feel comfortable.
We approached the issues regarding leaflets by exploring a variety of leaflet stand designs. To address the lack of privacy her window provides, we explored current and potential blind designs that would communicate her availability to students and staff. Finally, we developed a collage that explored a variety of furniture designs, materials and colours that would make her office more welcoming. We presented our designs to Justine in a second meeting.
I've just been shown 3 ideas. The Fixpets have got some ideas for blinds, they've got some ideas for communicating information through QR codes, and we've also discussed whether there could be an overhaul of the way the furniture works in my office. I'm really torn about whether to have the blinds or the pegboard, but actually the Fixpets have told me I can actually have both, which is great. So I'm really hoping that those 2 systems are going to work really well together. What I'm really looking for is something that's really simple, and the initial ideas I've been shown, I think the traffic light system is going to be something that everybody can understand. Luckily, the Fixpets have told me that I can also have the pegboard with the QR codes as well. So I'm looking forward to seeing how those 2 things are going to work together.
Over several weeks we worked with Justine to develop a privacy system that would reduce the interruptions she was experiencing. We also looked at methods of making essential university information more accessible to students so that they could get the information that they needed faster.
After developing several prototypes, we presented Justine with the final product and she gave us the green light.
This has been an amazing project. It's been really enjoyable. The guys have worked incredibly hard. I think it's going to be really clear for students.
I think the solutions that the Fixperts have come up with are excellent, actually. I think it solves problems on a number of levels. It gives us, or the students, clarity over the availability of the SSGTs, whether they're in the office and just unavailable, or whether they're working remotely and can be contacted via Teams. I think the pegboard means that we can move away from printed materials and leaflets, which obviously everyone's keen to do in terms of budget restrictions and the environment as well. So by having QR codes up, it's a real move in the right direction. These solutions, I think, are pretty universal. They're obviously very good for Justine, but I can see how they could be rolled out across the wider team